There's another space that has seen big increases or gains in the last few days. Bajaj Auto went up almost 20% in the last 1 month. Hero MotoCorp up almost 10%. The two-wheeler space I'm talking about, TVS, Eicher Motors, all are up. Is this the space that investors can look towards at least in the medium term, the coming few years?
Look, to be honest, I think the story of Indian consumption is more a story of Indian premiumization of the entire consumption pattern in India. And that's also playing out in two-wheelers to some extent, where people are trying and upgrading the two-wheelers which they're having to maybe EV models or to maybe up-end models or higher-end models of whatever the companies have been offering, which is where I think the beneficiaries have been Eicher to some extent and Bajaj and Hero MotoCorp to a large extent because of their massive reach and distribution networks, right? Bajaj Auto, I think, also is a story of buyback. I think huge capital efficiency on the balance sheet will accrue by virtue of this buyback of almost 10,000 odd crore rupees, which they are planning. And the management commentary has always been very, very positive that as and when they have profits or reserves upwards of 20,000 odd crores, they will go for, in some form or manner, they will reward their shareholders, right? So, and they will optimize the capital allocation, which is, to be very honest, an excellent way of managing the shareholder interest and also managing the stock, to be very honest. So I think yes, overall the two-wheeler space is looking extremely nicely poised in the coming time. Though I would caveat it by saying that bulk of the good news is already in the price for the entire auto industry put together. The tailwinds are strong and the demand remains fairly robust. We'll have to see as to how the demand plays out through the course of this year, especially during the monsoon season and forward. But yes, the news though is priced in, but still I think a few of these stocks still look attractive from a market perspective.